What is up, guys? It's Carson. Sammy's getting some ice. We are the complete couple, and we are going to show you a room tour here of the Borgata Hotel. This is what you get when you get their like free flight vouchers that they do. So let's go around and take a look. Room 14. Let's take a look here. Alrighty, so this is room 14. Sammy is just getting settled in that. So as you walk in here, on the right-hand side is going to be your master bath. Let's take a look at this. Beautiful walk-in shower. Goodness gracious, that thing looks like it was just remodeled. So beautiful walk-in shower. You got a ledge to either sit or use as a shaving station. We got a bunch of body washes and conditioners here. It looks like it's their MGM Resorts Shea Butter brand here. Conditioner, shampoo, body wash, beautiful shower. Nice door. Full vanity here with a big, beautiful mirror. 2 lights. Also got hand wash and body lotion. That's nice. Hair dryer. Necessities. What is this? A shower cap. 2 glasses for drinks. You got a standard tissue section right there. Got a garbage pail. That is your vanity right there. Nice area. Honestly, a lot of storage. Really nice storage, and I'm very impressed. See, we got bathroom, toilet. You know what I really love about this style of room is that they do a actual door to separate your toilet from the bathroom area. So that way, if you want to be in here and getting ready and someone has to use the restroom, the whole bathroom doesn't have to be locked up. So a really genius idea there. Spot right there to hang your towels or maybe a robe on off. And you got a standard charger right there. So as we come out, on the right-hand side is going to be a big mirror. I'm sure Sammy is going to use that. So a big, beautiful mirror. Actually, that was the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, here's going to be our safe area to hang your clothes, a luggage holder. Wow, you've actually got an iron with an ironing board with an iron. That's crazy. Was not expecting to see that. Here's your safe. Now I have to give you a negative. Wow, they did not clean the safe out. That is kind of disgusting. That was left in there. I hate these wall safes. There is just absolutely no room in them to put anything in there. I mean, try to put a laptop or something there, they never stay. So that is a wall safe, not a big fan of them. So that is your closet. Then as we continue into the room here, you got a full-size king bed on the right-hand side. Haven't slept in it yet, but feels good, I guess. So full-size king bed. Nightstand on the right here. Let's open the drawers. Nice big drawer, lamp. Let's see if we got any chargers. Oh yeah, nice. They actually have a charging port back there, which is actually really nice. So nice charging port there makes it easy. Got a dresser here with a TV, standard TV. I'll be honest, it is showing some wear and tear and some dust and grime. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they definitely did not dust or do anything with this. Kind of disgusting a little bit, honestly, but you know, it is a little older. So you got all your drawers, tons of drawer space. Let's see if this is going to have our fridge. Mini fridge. Let's see if they put things in it. No, so that's nice. That's actually a mini fridge for you. So you do have a mini fridge there to use as your own. Condiment kit, coffee maker, desk if you need to do any work. Sammy just brought our ice back, but a desk if you need to do any work. See if there's any more outlets over here. You got a phone jack. That's wild. 1 plug there. Desk area. It's nice that they have a desk in here. Sofa. Place you can put a drink, and then Sammy has a larger side table here. Nice big area. Standard telephone, another plug back there you can plug in for charging. 2 more plugs on the side over there, and then here is your view out the back side of the Borgata. You can see a bunch of different hotels over here. We're going to be going to the boardwalk here a little later today. That right there is your room tour of the Borgata. This is the Borgata Classic King Room, non-smoking. Quite a unique photo on the wall right there I never saw. So, all in all, great room. If you guys have any questions, just let us know. Leave in the comments, hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.